Hello. Okay, let's start. Okay, this link's in the description. Just go to it, select the server you want to add it to, continue, authorize. Please don't change its permissions, it's going to break otherwise because it needs them. You're not a robot. Okay, it's just a confirmation message that you added it. Now to add your welcome messages is the impadd and a welcome message that you want to add. It's implist to see your messages. You can add up to 20. Okay, if you add like a really big one, let me just make a really big one. So let's say you have a big one like this and you use implist. Okay, it won't show the whole thing because it's easier to see this way, and you can view the whole thing using implist and then the number. Now if you don't like it anymore, you can just delete it, impdel, and then the number. So now it's gone. We're back to the 2. Now we also have impsay. This lets you pretend to be someone else, but there's no one here, so I'll just do myself. And then the message, whatever. And you can see I didn't say this, but I said it in my name. Now you can do this with ID as well. Just right click on the person, copy ID. If you don't know how to get this, it's just appearance. Now turn on developer mode. And just go back, right click, and the same thing. Now you can use this to just say whatever, and it's the same thing. You also have the usage here. If you want channel, it's optional. There's only one channel, but you get the point. Just put channel before the message, so it'd be like this, and then the channel. Let's just do that one because it's the only one. And if you don't put the channel, it'll just send it to the channel that you're using it. Next up we have impallow. Now obviously not everyone in the server can use this bot because they're just gonna spam your server. So you have impallow. In the default setting only admins can use it, but you can do impallow a role, and then whoever has this role can use the bot. And if you want to check who's allowed, just do impallow. I'll say admins and members with this role can use it. If you change your mind, you can just do impallow none, and then no one can use it. No one besides the admins, of course. Okay, then we have impmake. Impmake lets you make custom messages. So the name will be this. The link for the avatar will be this. The channel, once again, is optional. And then the message. Okay, so let me just show you an example. I have a image link here. It doesn't have to be on the Discord CDN. It can be anywhere, of course. So let's just do impmake. Let's just use name and link followed by the channel if you want, or if you don't put a channel, it'll just send it to the channel that you're using it in. It's just whatever, send a message. You see, you put it as name, you put the avatar as this, which was this. It's the same thing. It's this, and then the message was this. So it's that. Now at the moment spaces aren't supported, but you can use a trick here. Let's say you want your name to have spaces. Maybe you want to have spaces, and then you want the avatar, and then you want the message. This won't work right now because spaces aren't supported in the bot right now. As you can see, should probably put a bracket there. Okay, whatever. Just ignore that, please. Impmake, and then to put a name with spaces, hold on Alt and then press 255 on your keyboard. This is an invisible character. It's a special character. Now I like to use it twice. You can just copy it, and if you use it twice and copy and paste it. Name with spaces. Let's just get the link again because I have spaces, whatever. And you can see now you have a name with spaces. So once again, the code for it, the special character is you hold on Alt and then you press 255, and then you get the special character. Okay, so you can use that way. This can be whatever, this can be whatever, and this can be whatever. Okay, so let's say you have more than one channel, which is most likely the case. I have another channel here, and you want to change the channel that the welcome messages go into. So go into server settings, integrations, click on manage, click on this arrow, and you can see the channel here. You can change it to whichever channel that you want, and then the welcome messages will go into that channel. Of course, make sure that the bot has permissions for that channel, otherwise it just won't work. And I'll show you how to do this on phone as well. So okay, just go into settings and then go into webhooks and then Impersonator webhook, and then you can change the channel here. Alright, that should be everything. Now I'm gonna invite my friend and fellow developer of this bot, and we're gonna see it work. And he's gonna join any second now. And there we go, he just joined, and it's working completely fine. Alright, that's about it. You have our support server if you have any problems. It's this. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.